Hi children, welcome back to the online English classes of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Sabida Joseph, your English teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Children, did you recite the poem if you can't go over or under? Did you like it? Very good. Today let us discuss the question answers from the poem if you can't go over or under. Comprehension Section A. Answer these questions. Question number 1. What is the baby mole trying to do? What is wrong with what he is doing? Here you can see two questions in this first one. The first question is, what is the baby mole trying to do? What is the answer? The baby mole is trying to dig through solid stone. What is doing? The baby mole is trying to dig through solid stone. Then, what is wrong with what he is doing? Is there anything wrong? Yes, it is a useless effort because the stone is too strong for him to dig through. So, his effort is useless. What he is doing is useless because the reason is the stone is too strong for him to dig through. So the answer is the baby mole is trying to dig through solid stone. It is a useless effort because the stone is too strong for him to dig through. Let's see the second question. Question number 2. What advice does Grandpa Mole give to the baby mole? Do you think it is good advice? Why or why not? Here you can see 3 questions. The first question is, what advice does Grandpa Mole give to the baby mole? What is the advice? Answer. The Grandpa Mole tells baby mole that if you have to go to the other side of the stone, it's best to find another way around the stone. What is the advice? The Grandpa Mole tells baby mole that if you have to go to the other side of the stone.
As we know, the baby mole wanted to show how he could dig. But while he was digging, he hit his head into a hard stone.
But he started to dig through the stone. Is that easy? No. So his grandpa said, it's best to find another way around the stone. That is his grandpa's advice. The next question, do you think it is good advice? What is your opinion? Is it good or bad? Yes, it is good advice. Why? Because if one method does not work for us, we should find newer ways of reaching our goal. Which means, if one way does not work out, we should not waste our time worrying about it and should start looking for another way to achieve our goal. Here, the baby mole was trying to dig the stone. That is not an easy one. That's why Grandpa said to find another way around the stone. So, if one method does not work for us, we should find newer ways of reaching our goals. See the third question. Explain the message of the poem. What is the message of the poem? If we come across a place that we can't get through, we should find another way to go to the other side. This answer is also meant that if one way does not work out, we should find out a newer way to achieve our goal. If one door is closed, another door will be open for us. So we have to work for it. We have to wait for it. So the question is, explain the message of the poem. Answer, if we come across a place that we can't get through, we should find another way to go to the other side. Think and answer. Give your own title to the poem. Explain why you chose the title. Children, find out a new suitable title for the poem. B. In this poem, the poet uses different ways to refer to problems. For example, you can't butt your way through solid stone. Here, solid stone refers to the stone that the baby mole hits his head against. But it also means the problems that we face, is it? But means to hit somebody or something with your head. Solid stone means it's a hard stone, but it can refer to our problems. There is no use if we waste our time worrying about our problems. And what we have to do, we have to start looking for another way to solve that problem, or we have to look another way to achieve our goals. So there is no use if we hit a hard stone, like if you're worrying about a problem. We have to find out a new way to solve it. C. Form pairs. Circle the group of words used in the poem to refer to a problem. Here you have to find out the words in the poem which refers to a problem. Can you identify the words? The first one has been done for you. The first one is a thick wall. A thick wall as an impassable wall, which means it is impossible to pass or solve it. So impassable wall or a thick wall, it's a problem referred in the poem. And the next word, high mountains. High mountains. In the lines it says, if the mountains are high, go round the valley. And the next word, the wind. Very good. In the poem it says, if you'll set your sails as the wind is blowing. If the wind is against your sail, what do you have to do? Set your sails as the wind is blowing. Use the opportunities in your way. Use it properly to achieve the goals. And the next word, blocked streets. Blocked streets. Very good. And the poem it says, if the streets are blocked, go up some alley. If the streets are blocked, what do we have to do? We have to go up some alley. Alley means other narrow passageway. You can use that passageway to go. And another word, field trains. Very good. If the parlor's cars filled, don't scorn a fright. The next word, it is closed door. Very good. If the front door is closed, go in the side gate. If one door is closed, another way will be open for us. So we have to wait for it. And also we have to find out the opened gate, open door, which means we have to use the opportunities to reach to our goals. Children, I hope you understood today's class. Write the word meaning and the question answers in your notebook and study it. We'll meet next day with a new topic. Until then, take care. Bye.